In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up or create flash deals in TikTok Shop. So to do that, you first need to head over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once you're there, head over right here into the Marketing tab. You should be able to see right here this new drop-down options. From this case, head over and click on Promotions. Once you have clicked onto this particular button, you should be able to see right here this interface. So what we can do is we can just head over and click on create promotion, or you can also choose based on this promotion options that we have up right here. So head over and click onto this create. Now you can find right here the promotion tools that we have available. So since we want to have a flash deal, let's head over and click on this seller flash sale. Head over and click on create. Once you have done that, you should be able to see right here the fields that you need to fill out. So input right here the flash sale name, display channel. It can be on live only, creator live, as well as the start time and end time. The products that are available, you can choose variation level or product level right here. So just head over and click onto the select product, and then choose right here the product that you have available. And once you have done those, head over and click onto this agree and publish option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.